Good morning. Uh, though you seems to be not well acquainted with the Copyrights Act, but still, since the large-scale corporate companies, large is seller of particular brand, may try to uh, restrain, suppress the business of a small uh, industries product businessman. So for that, they may approach only if they are very financially very uh, low budget companies. Definitely, they may approach the nearest advocate. So probably you should be very uh, clear about the knowledge of these Intellectual Properties Act. The origin of Intellectual Property Acts started from England, uh, Copyrights Act. That was the initial basis for all Intellectual Property Act uh, titles like Trademarks Act, Designs Act, Patent Act, Geographical Indication Act, all whatnot. Now these cases are classified as commercial uh, courts uh, jurisdiction cases. In the prior to uh, Black Rain, the ecclesiastical system of ruling, the churches which dominated the rulers of European countries, were after Constantinople being captured, uh, then and this Martin Luther, who professed new Christianity like Protestant. Then the kings of that particular countries relaxed from the Pope's domination, and one of the Pope was also killed, who tried to who introduced the Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar means Gregorian is the name of the Pope who invented, and even the calendar like that. Now somebody is trying to change the calendar of Tamil Nadu also. Like that, every king sovereignty tried to dominate it to introduce their calendars. That was a Gregorian calendar. We follow January, February, March, April, and so on and so on. So then what had happened? The industrial revolution commenced. New inventions were invented, so that first invention was this weaving machines. So heavy manufacture of clothes. Therefore, they want to sell this to the neighboring European countries. For that, they used to get a letter from the king. King used to give a letter that is called letter patent. Once they issue a letter, they may be permitted to sell their goods to particular country. Like that, and that they say in even our High Court, even our British ruling, which was commenced in the name and style of East India Company, used to sell uh, one product to used to purchase the product from Asian countries, particularly in India. 18 members formed East India Company and they obtained a letter of patent. In that way, the Intellectual Property Act slowly transformed. That is, first property was copyrights. Let us forget about all those, we will discuss it deeply. Here you see a simple case. A Lux company, you know Lux company, manufacturing soaps, powder, what not, all cosmetics and other items. But actually, they are in a hosiery business. And another man, small man, but because they are very uh, powerful and this was a known product, they have not followed the well-known trademark registration. So they have not registered it. Therefore, uh, 134 section 29 of Trademarks Act. But however, TMT Boss was a business was commenced by the defendant, Mickey Metals Limited, in the name and style of Lux TMT Boss. Then they immediately filed a suit and seeking for injunction. You know, Anton Poller, Anton Piller warrant are being issued to search the defendants if they are passing off or infringing the trademark. Infringing means without knowing the registration of a particular trademark. If you run in the some other business in the same trademark, that is called infringement. Passing off means knowingly by same product is the same style, but simply changing the words. If you sell or start, that is called passing off. That is more grave crime. That 420 would also come. But here the Calcutta High Court has given a different judgment that may be subject to Supreme Court. AR 2021 Kolkata 325. Viswanath Ostri Mills Limited, that is Lux Company, then Mickey Metals Limited, that is TMT Bar Company. They say, see, these TMT Bar may not be possible to sell where these oiseries are being sold. Therefore, there may not be any infringement or passing off. They simply say plaintiff and the different classes of business. They held that plaintiff are in oisery business while the defendant is manufacturer TMT bar. It is highly unlikely that oisery goods and the TMT bar would be sold in the same soap shop. Mark of the plaintiff does not feature in the list of well-known marks published on the website of the trademark registry. It cannot be said that the plaintiff mark Lux attained such distinctness so as to allow plaintiff to succeed at the interim stage of the suit. Therefore, they have not granted injunction. This is AR 2015 SC online 156 was relied on. Therefore, you go through the judgment may help you. For register the well-known trademark, there should be some criterion to that wide publicity, financial status, the shares value, and TV propaganda. Everything would be considered, and there will be regular magazines and books are being published by the trademark registry, wherein you should have registered it that your name. Just like that, if suppose pilot pen is there, Philips is manufacturing so many items, Philips. So that is well-known trademark. You cannot start a company in the name of Philips as if people think that this is that company, which is like that. So many things are there. Try to understand. Don't leave any field thinking that you may not have cases. You may have cases. You definitely, as soon as you have acquired knowledge, definitely somebody would knock your door to assist you. You can slowly enter in that field to defend initially. Thereafter, you can, after exhibiting your talent before the court and other publics and clients, that you may be very starring lawyer in that field. That would be my humble suggestions to be followed. I hope you understand my endeavoring to present the judgment. This is the generic word. Generic word means similar word. Generic word is somewhat word which gives some attracting meaning. Lux. Lux means something different generic word. Therefore, lux means a measure of the light. Lux means measure of the. Therefore, the luxury, deluxe means demi luxury. All these things are measure of the light was the word. Best wishes.